This video demonstrates the installation procedures for Lithonia OneUp 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch integrated LED luminaires. To start, make sure the electrical line is disconnected or turned off at the power source. Installation or service of luminaires should be performed by a qualified licensed electrician. Please review the printed safety instructions that were provided with your product and be sure to wear your personal protective equipment. First, remove the product from the package and familiarize yourself with the fixture components. Hold the spring clips together and carefully remove the wire tie restraining the clips. No tools are necessary for the installation other than a hole saw for your ceiling cutout. Before cutting, make sure to account for joist and electrical wiring placement. Use the provided template or reference dimensions for your specific model to outline the circle pattern, and use a proper hole saw to cut out the circle in the ceiling. Next, press the spring latch back and open the junction box door that is integral to the fixture. Bring the supply wires into the junction box through the knockout non-metallic push-in connector. Continue to make the necessary connections inside the junction box. Connect the ground bare wire to ground. Neutral white wire to white. And the 120-volt black wire to black. Carefully push the wires back into the junction box and close the cover, confirming it snaps in place. Squeeze the spring clips together and push the clips through the ceiling hole. Release the clips and gently push the trim into the hole until it is flush with the ceiling. Fixture installation is now complete. Check the installation to make sure the fixture is secure in the ceiling. Restore the power and make sure the fixture is functioning properly.